Now, forward pass is you do to determine earliest activity time. Okay, forward pass. How you do forward? How do you determine the earliest start time? You do forward pass. Okay, you do forward pass means you do from the start to end or start to finish. Okay, forward pass is the method you use. Forward pass is to determine the earliest date that you can do. So you fill in by sequence. You fill in the activities first, then time. This one from the table. Then you start with this one. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3. This one you do forward pass. Forward pass means you start from there, you determine. So for example, activity number 2, the earliest you can start is 3 months. Okay, earliest you can do is 3 months. Earliest you can do activity 4 is 5 months. How to do? 3 plus 2, 5. The earliest you can do finish, you can wait is 8 months. 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 8. Okay, come. Then, how to do the earliest finish time? This one is you take the earliest start time plus the activity time. Earliest time plus the activity time. Earliest time plus the activity time. 3 plus 0, you get 3. Yeah. You build the 4 column first. This one you calculate by forward pass. From the start you do calculate one by one. So you do 1, 2, 3 first. Then how to do earliest finish here? You take this one plus equal to this one. You take time, duration plus the start earliest start time. You get the numbers of number 4 here. Yeah. Next, what is ES? ES is the earliest start time. Is a maximum or immediate maximum of maximum EF. Earliest finish of immediate predecessor. Okay, so you take EF equal to ES plus T. Normally, I don't memorize this one. I just use 6 box here, and then I do the max. Okay, you take the bottom one plus the ES, you get EF. Of course, if you are good in memorizing, go ahead lah. Okay, so I did show you how to find the earliest finish. Take this one plus this one, you get this one. Okay. Next one. Can you complete the earliest activities on the screen here? This is your tutorial question. Complete the 7 activities. Draw the 7 activities. What happened to Harvin Chandra, Lim Kai Hen, Su Zixuan? Not here. Okay, do this one. The exercise is to complete the earliest activity time and finish time first. Earliest activity time and finish time means you complete these 2 on the top first. Then later we'll do this bottom. Take this as an opportunity to do this exercise. exercise. If not, you don't have any opportunity to do this one already. Once you go home, I think you're busy with other stuff already. Okay, the diagram is on the top there. I mean, the bubble, the network is on the top. Be careful on the arrowhead, right? The arrowhead. Then you draw lah. You change the bubble into 6 box of diagram. Transform the bubble into 6 boxes, small boxes. Okay, then later I give you the answer. You check whether you answer correct or not. Your test next week, your test one next week, Friday. Okay, copy the top right corner, the diagram first. So I assume you already know how to build the bubble already. So I skip that part. So if you want to know more detail, you look at the previous slides. Okay. The one that you're doing now is more challenging one. And it might be half marks of the question. This one might be 15 out of 25. Okay, once you draw the things, fill in activity already give you already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, you fill in the purple color one. The purple color you copy from the diagram. If you don't know what is purple color, what is this? What you need to fill in this one means you miss the class. You are not in the class. It means you don't understand what is the diagram on the top right. Okay, once you draw the diagram, the first one you fill in is the time of the activities. This one you extract from the table, or once you draw the network just now. But once you do more exercise, later you will not draw the bubble anymore. You straight away you will draw this 6 box diagram. When you do more and more exercise, you will be smart enough. You straight away you will use 6 boxes that method. Okay. So what is the answer for the first one? This one, 3. This one I just copy. 1, 1, 1, 1. This one also 1. This one 2, 3. Okay. Then the orange color. Orange color, you count lah. You count the blue color one. not blue, the sky blue lah. So once you fill in this one, you count. For example, this one is 0. Then this one you count from the previous one. 3. This one 5. This one 8. Okay. And this one, okay, I'll give you the answer. Oops. Yeah. So this one you already know already. 0, 3, 3. This one is 2, 3, 5. And the next one. This one, what is the number? This one is 3, huh? This one is 3. This one is what is the number? This one is 3, then this one is what? How to get 7? How to get this number? This one plus this one equal this one. 6, huh? This one is 5, so it's 8, huh? This one is 5, huh? Actually 4, this one earliest start time is 5, huh? How come 3 just now? This one is actually you take this one plus this one, you get this one. Yeah. Then later we'll come to that. Now you discover got one. Now you have 2 set of number. Later we will. There's one trick there. There's one trick there. There's one rules there. What number you use? Okay. Let's complete the thing first. Okay. So this is 3, 3, then 4. 3 plus 4. So here, just now you discover one thing, right? This number, it can be 4, can be 5, right? Because it depends on where you come from. But why we fill in 5 here and not 4? If you come from here, it's 4. If you come from here, it's 5. Why you choose 5 and 4? Why we fill in 5 and not 4? Okay, yes. Because this is the earliest start time you can do. You can only wait. Of course, you only need to wait until foundation complete, only you can start. If you put 4 here, it's wrong already. 4 means you start build house without waiting for the foundation. You have to check back the previous precedence, the Gantt chart. Yes. And just a time of rules, we always choose the biggest number. If we have 2 pathway, we will choose the biggest number for this. It's weird. Yes. So every time you see if you do forward pass, we do forward pass means from here to here, and you see number for this orange color one, choose the biggest one. Because sometimes you see, like for this case, you see 5 and 4 come into that 6 box. So you choose the biggest one. So on your paper, maybe you can use pencil to mark. Oh, there's a 4, 5 there. So you circle the 5, then you put in 5 there. Okay. So okay, then you continue lah. The next one, 5. So this one is not 4. Okay, this one also same. This one also same. You will see 4 and 5. You took 5. Okay. So 5, plus 1, 6. Yeah, so we always choose the biggest numbers. Same with other 1, 6, and then 7. Then 1, 8, 9. So far, okay, yeah? There's one hidden rules there. Always choose the biggest numbers for the orange color or the yellow color box. This is forward pass. We call it forward pass. Always do forward like that. Okay. Next one. Once you have all the numbers, now we will do the below one. We'll do the below one. It's called latest start time, which is below one. Latest start time is the activity you can start without delaying the critical path time. Here referring to critical path time, which is in this case we already know is 9 months. Okay. So another one is latest finish time. Is the activity can be completed and still maintain the project critical time. So there are two, latest start, latest finish. Not same. It depends on, because why? Because you have the cabang there, you have the branches there, so you don't know which one can do. So from here, you know which activity you can adjust. Okay, so how to find the LF? LF is the minimum immediate following activities. LS is LF minus time. Latest start, which is this one. You take latest forward minus time. Okay, this one we do backward pass. We do from the finish, then do back there. Okay, so how to do? So your LF, which is this one, this one. LF is the minimum. So what you looking for is a LS immediate following activities. So we will use forward pass. We'll use backward pass where we work from the back. Okay. So for the first two, this one we will do forward pass. This one we'll do backward pass. Okay. So let's do the start the end of the network at node 7 and work backward. So we do here. So latest time at node 7 cannot exceed the earliest finish time. Okay, earliest finish time at node 7 cannot exceed the earliest finish time. So what is the number? First, 9. This one, earliest finish time at node 7 cannot exceed the earliest finish time. What is the earliest finish time you can do? You calculate it, 9 months. So 9. LS start time, this one. You take this one minus this one. Take this one minus your project time. You get 8. Okay, you start from the back first. Okay. Okay. Then you start to move at this one already. So earliest time for activity number 6, this is one. Activity number 6 is the minimum of the latest start time for activity following node 6. This one, finish time here. It's 8. Now, latest start time for activity number 6 is the minimum for the latest start time. Okay. It's the latest start time for activities following node 6. Yeah. Okay. So take this one minus this one, 7. So the rest is same lah. The rest is same. So you go for the top one first. This one is 8. So 5. So this one is 7. 6. Then the rest is still the same. Activity 3. Again, activity 3, you have 2 activities, which is 4 and 5. So you need to be careful here. Especially activity number 3. You have these 2. So you have 5 and 6 here. Choose the minimum. So forward one, you choose maximum. Backward one, you choose minimum. Yeah, number is 5. Okay, so from here you actually you can know the trend already the pattern already. So above one is 5. So it's 3. Then here also same. You have 2, right? So you have 3 and 4. Choose 3. So 0. Okay. Right. So forward, backward, they have their own hidden rules. Forward, choose maximum. If you have 2 numbers, this one you choose minimum. Okay. Okay. So these are things. And then you have the magic number here already. There are 2 ways of doing the critical pathway, right? So this is activity slack time, definition of slack. So from there, earliest, we know that we have critical path of 9 weeks, 9 months from 1247, right? 1247. Okay. So there's one observation here. If you read this statement, you read activity 1247. What are the similarity? Do you see the pattern? Inside the 6 box, what happened to the critical path activities? 1, 2, 4, 7. Do you see the numbers always same one? Same one. 5, 5, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. So from building these 6 boxes, actually you can see the pattern. Which activities is inside the critical pathway? Okay. So the earliest time and latest important is the earliest start time and earliest start latest start time, they are the same. Important is this one, not the other things. So important is the word is here. It must be same. Then it become critical. Okay. Okay. We try not to have lah. Normally you only have one critical path. Normally you only have one. Okay. So critical path, it means that you need to start exact on time, cannot delay any cannot more. Means you cannot have any delay in activity 1, 2, 4, 7. Means that if you're a manager, you need to have a lot of backup plan for 1, 2, 4, 7. What happen if 2 cannot do? What you should do? What are the backup plan? You should have a backup plan, supplier number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. Okay. So earlier time, method 1, you calculate the longest time. Now when you learn these rubrics, six boxes, now you look at the ES and LS, you know that is the critical path activities. Okay. So this is the alternate way, or you can look at LF and LF. EF equal to LF, same. There are two ways. One you calculate, one you use the boxes. Sometimes the answer will ask you to explain, justify why they are critical path activities. So, two kind of answer. They are the longest, their activity along the longest path, or you use this answer. Earliest start time will equal to latest start time, or their earliest finish or earliest latest finish. Either one of the answer correct. Okay. So another definition for activity slack. So what does the activity slack? We say that for activity not on the critical path, which the earliest latest start time are not equal, they are event called slack time axis. So what is the slack time? You use LS minus ES. Take this one minus this one, you get your, or you can take LF minus EF. Okay. So you take this one minus, you get slack time. So on critical path one, always get 0 slack time. Means you cannot be lazy on the critical path. Because all the numbers you take minus become 0, 0, 0, 0 around the along the critical path. But others you can still have, like for example, activity number 3. You can have 1 month to play around. 4 minus 3, you get 1. Here also same. 6 minus 5, 1, 1. Here also same. Meaning for activity number 3, you have 1 month for you to play around. Your backup plan, the latest delay that you can have is 1 month. Here also have. So within this slack time, as a project manager, what you can do, you can prepare beforehand some activities, like you can manage other activity at this other project at this time. For example, maybe activity 3, they use a machine that maybe not required for your project and so on. So you can share your machine with other project, then for 1 month, then after you pull back the equipment back to these projects. This is more on the resources planning. Okay. So this is another table you can do from the things. So another way of finding the critical path is your slack times is 0. Your slack time is always 0. Then that is critical path for it. So there are few ways of determining or finding the critical path. One, traditional calculation. Find the longest period time along the path. Second, you take LS minus ES, LF minus EF. You get 0, then that is critical path. Or the same number in ES, LS, same number EF, LF. 3 methods of finding critical path. Slack time, the number inside the box, or the normal calculation. Okay. Okay, today we do in this. So the rest of it means that you have slack time, you can be lazy, or you can do other things within that activities. Means there's a backup breathing time for you. Okay. Okay. So then the rest you read. Important is that. So for example, this one, activity 356 can be delayed 2 months jointly without delaying project, but not 3 months. For example, activity 356, although here you got 1 month, 1 month, 1 month, but it's not 3 months, it's 2 months maximum. Because they are shared activities. If you 3 months, one you late already cannot already, no more adjustment for you to play. You cannot do 3 months. Means you can go holiday 2 months only. Means 1 month is yes. Means why you cannot put 3 months? Because you can spare for, let's say this one you cannot delay, you delay 1 month already. So you only have like 2 months to play around. Okay, so just put in mind lah. Okay, put in mind that even though on the box there there's 1 month here, 1 month here, 1 month here, but don't assume that you have 3 months. Okay, the rest we continue next tomorrow. Okay. Yes, Friday got class. Too bad.